code P2195 indicates the error fuel AF sensor Bank 1, Sensor 1, is stuck on a lean signal, meaning the computer sees too much oxygen in the exhaust and cannot correct the fuel mixture. Common causes include a failed front oxygen sensor, vacuum leaks, fuel pressure or leaking issues, dirty MAF airflow sensor, or exhaust leaks. P2195 common symptoms of code number 1, check engine light on. This is the most common sign that the oxygen sensor is having problems. Number 2, reduced fuel economy, a significant drop in miles per gallon, often 15 to 25%, as the car runs rich to compensate for the perceived lean condition. Number 3, poor engine performance. You may experience a loss of power, especially during acceleration. Number 4, rough idling. The car may vibrate or feel unstable when stopped at a light. Number 5, engine misfires or hesitation. You might feel the engine stumble or hesitate when you step on the gas. Number 6, exhaust changes. From the tailpipe, a strong smell of raw gasoline due to unburned fuel. Step fix P2195 code. Number 1, inspect for vacuum leaks. Look at the air hose pipe of this Honda Accord car, which is almost closed due to air pressure. The air hose pipe is blocking the airflow. I replaced this air hose pipe and installed a new hose pipe. Also, check for any cracks or holes in the intake air tube, PCV line, and intake gasket. If there are any leaks, be sure to repair them. Step number 2, clean or replace MAP sensor. The MAP sensor measures the amount of oxygen entering the engine. If the MAP sensor is dirty or damaged, your car may have this problem. So, without changing the MAP sensor of your car, first open the MAP sensor and clean it thoroughly. I removed the MAP sensor. Look, dirt has accumulated in the hot wire of the MAP sensor. Now I will clean the MAP sensor with air cleaner spray. Now the hot wire inside the MAP sensor is completely clean. Now I will reinstall MathSense. If cleaning the MAP sensor does not solve the problem, you can change the MAP sensor. Step number 3, check fuel system. Inspect for low fuel pressure or leaking fuel injectors. First, I will check the fuel pressure of this car. I will remove the joint of the fuel pipeline that comes from the fuel pump to the fuel injector. I will attach a fuel pressure check meter to the fuel pipeline. I installed the fuel pressure check meter and now I'm going to start the car's engine. The fuel pump pressure of this car is okay. Check that the fuel pressure is above 0.3 MPa and below 0.4 MPa. There is no problem with the fuel pump pressure of this car, so you need to open the fuel injectors and check them. The injectors need to be removed from the fuel pipe injector rail. There is dirt inside the fuel injector. First, clean the injectors thoroughly. I already cleaned the fuel injector like this and will change the fuel injector O-ring. Install fuel injector new O-ring. I reinstalled the fuel injectors into the fuel pipe injector rail. If the O-rings on the top and bottom of the injector are damaged, replace all O-rings. Your engine may be such problems with injector leaks and replace the all O-ring. I installed the fuel injector pipe rail on the engine. Now I will clear engine fault code. Now I will click Clear Fault Code. Do you want to clear DTC? Click Yes. Clearing fault code successfully, Please read fault code again, click OK. Click again, read fault code. OK, done clearing fault code. Now is no fault code. Mo, I will start the car engine. After starting the car engine, the check engine light is no longer on. Inshallah, there is no more problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any problems understanding anything after watching the video, please comment.